Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your display resolution on your computer, on your laptop. So you need to just right click on your desktop, click on the display setting, and then you can see here the display resolution. As per your requirement, you can select like 1024 into 760, 800 into 600. So like if you want to change this, keep changes. You can see the display resolution is changed now. I'm going to revert it for me, but yes, if you want to continue with the same settings or if any other resolution, you can continue. So in this way, you can change your display resolution for your computer, for your laptop. Thank you. Bye bye.